Hey, good morning guys. Guess what? I forgot to show you guys the pig yesterday. So let me go downstairs. We just took him out. And then we're going to be slaughtering them later on tonight. I gotta lower my camera here so I don't hit the ceiling. But yeah, anyways, we got our pigs, guys. Look at that. Yeah. I know, right? That's a lot of pig right there. Yeah, we put them in the freezer here, and then for overnight. And now we're going to de-thaw them here over during the day, and then later on we are going to cut them in pieces. But now we're going to go for a little walk and see if we can't find us any birds. Yeah, that's the plan. We're going to grab our camera and go for a little walk. Yeah. So let's get our day started. Welcome in, guys. Hey guys, we are just out here with the big gun and taking some nice pictures. We'll probably post them at the end of the video, but have a look what we found, guys. Let me turn on my lights here. Look at that, guys. Yeah, we found us a nest. Look at that. Wow. A real nice bird nest. I'm just going to be careful I don't step on it. It's you'll probably see them here at the end of the video. I hope I took some really good pictures of them. I hope so anyways. So let's go for another walk and see what else we find. Alright guys, after our long walk, it is time to go ahead and have us some breakfast. Let's take a look and see what we got here. We got some cooked eggs. We got some smoked meat, right? Yeah, ham or whatever you want to call it. Some jam. And we're good to go. Yes, indeed. That's right. After a good long walk, it gives you a good workout. So yeah, you need some protein to keep going for the rest of the day, right? So let's go ahead and have breakfast and see what else we come up with today. Oh, I almost forgot. I got to go see the doctor yet. That's right. I got to do a physical. Yeah, well, as truck drivers, we got to do a physical every once in a while. I think for a younger generation, it's every 5 years. But when you get older, it's about every once a year or twice a year or something like that. So mine is coming up here, so we got to go see the doctor this afternoon. That's right. All right, guys, it's been a very busy day. We've been going for a good walk and capturing some good birds. And now I am sitting here in the backyard just waiting for the birds to land on the bird feeder right there. Just before I got here, or when I got here, there was like 5 of them sitting there around the bird feeder. And yes, we just finished cutting our pig up. I managed to cut my finger. Oh, I see a kitty cat walking over there. Yeah, I guess she's looking for food too. But anyways, let's see if I can capture some good looking birds here. And I found me an app through one of you guys told me in the comments there that there's an app that you can download, and it makes sounds calling the birds. And I tried it out earlier. Man, did it ever work good. So I'm gonna give it a try here and see if I can't capture some nice looking birds, guys. Alright guys, it is time for supper. Yeah, we've been quite busy working really hard today, and we cooked some yuca, or the wife did anyways, and some of that pork meat that we had tonight, eh? I know the wife is tired. I know. What about Jessica? Are you tired by any chance? Not even close, right? Nah, I don't think so either. Anyways, what do you say? Nothing?
I think this is some really good meat.
Some really good meat? Alright. Let's go ahead and have us a good supper and then call it a day probably pretty soon, because we're tired. We've been working super hard today. At least the wife has been working really hard. I've been trying to help, but we slaughtered our pig, right?
I think I need a back rub.
You need a back rub?
Yes, I need a back rub.
Now, who could that be? Who could do that? Maybe me? Who knows? Right, Jesse? You gonna give Mom a back rub? No. No, not happening. Anyways, it's supper time.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.